XOR function returns a logical exclusive OR of all arguments. This function returns false if both test conditions are true, as well as OR function returns true if both test conditions are true. Exclusive OR function returns true if one of test condition is true out of two test conditions. Exclusive OR function returns false if both test conditions are false. Click cancel. Active this cell. Click logical arrow button. Click XOR function. In logical 1 box, test the condition. Click this cell reference. Enter greater than sign. Enter equal sign. Type 8000. Press tab key. In logical 2 box, test the second condition. Click this cell reference. Enter less than sign. Type 7000. Function returns true because one of test condition is true. First test condition is true because this cell reference has value 12,000. Second test condition is false because this cell reference has values 11,000 and tested condition is 7,000. As a result, exclusive OR function returns true. Click OK. Paste the formula in other cells. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Active this cell. This cell has value 15,000 and tested condition is greater than or equal to 8,000. This cell has value 6,000 and tested condition is less than 7,000. So second test condition is also true. As a result, exclusive OR function returns false because both test conditions are true. In this way, you can analyze data by using exclusive OR function.